Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to give you a quick trade setup on Euro GBP. So without any further delay, I'll take you to the chart and I'll show you how exactly I figured out the trade setup. So here we are on Euro GBP and you can see that the price, after going to upside for a very long time in a very gradual manner, has started coming down. And I'm trying to figure out what can be the minimum magnitude of downward movement. So I will just zoom in a little bit. So here we are, and we'll look at the previous downward retracements. Magnitude was like this. Second downward retracement was slightly bigger, almost similar. It was bigger by just maybe 0.5% or 1%, and that's why we are expecting at least the similar downward movement, which I have marked by this line. So this is 0.8631. So 0.8631 should be the minimum target. Right now you can see the price came down to 86357, retraced to the upside, and probably we will get the chance again to we will get the chance to take a sell position and market will start going down again, and we'll target it this 8631. So here we are on 4-hour time frame, and if we talk about the divergence, we have a very clear bearish divergence here. You can see market made this high, then a higher high. However, the MACD made a significantly lower high, which is a very clear and strong uh, regular bearish divergence, which is indicating that this time the downward retracement may be bigger than the previous magnitude. However, we are going to target for the minimum possible uh, movement, and how exactly we are going to enter is something I'm going to show you at 1-hour time frame. So let's go to 1 hour. Here we are on the 1-hour time frame, and I have plotted this line which is totally irrelevant. I have to delete this. Yes, now I'm talking about this moving average, which has a period of 8. So if you look at the total number of candles to the downside in this swing, from here to here there were approximately 11 candles, then here there were approximately 6 candles, and then here there were approximately 8 candles. Yes, there were 8 candles to the downside. So if we find the average of the total number of candles in all these 3 downward swings, it is 8.33, which is why I have taken a moving average of 8.33. Now let's understand the fashion of price development. First swing down, upward movement, again continuation to the downside identified by this bearish engulfing pattern, and here we could have taken the sell position. Second retracement to the upside, then the sideways consolidation, and then price starts going to the downside, and again this is bigger than all previous 3 candles, which again is an engulfing bearish candle pattern, and a sell position could have been taken here once again. Right now the price is retracing to the upside, and we'll wait for price to retrace just like previous retracements. We do not know about the magnitude of the upward retracement, and we do not want to be bothered about it, but we will wait for the retracement to be finished, price to float a little bit above this moving average, and then come to the downside, and again cross back downward below this moving average by making any significant candle pattern, which is when we'll take the sell position targeting 8631. Thanks for watching.